All of our watches come in a premium, reusable watch roll which is enclosed by a fully recyclable box. On the reverse of the box lid, you will find your guarantee card. The watch roll has a Safano leather effect outer material with 2 metal fastenings. The lining is made of a premium cotton material to ensure everything is fully protected, and the removable cushion in the centre acts as the housing for your new watch. The watch roll makes for an excellent travel companion and also has ample space for your additional straps. Our luxury packaging makes for an extra special gift as it can be enjoyed every time it is used.